To adventure is who I am. Being out there, experiencing life, discovering new things, this is what excites me. Why would you not want to be in nature, conquering a mountain, or on a mission to explore new places? Travis and myself had the opportunity to experience the all-new Ineos Grenadier. And what better place to do this than in our own backyard, in the valley of 1,000 hills, where mixed with challenging steep climbs and tricky river crossings, this is any explorer's paradise. From the most epic views to lunch at Mkeku, this was our afternoon drive.